In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple framework to earn from CPA market. And I'm going to share with you a site that you can start even if you are a beginner, and how to set up your ad and get offer in Nigeria that will pay you more. So the name of the site we are going to be working on with is zeydoo, and on zeydoo you can get paid just by people filling survey, and when you partner with them, so there are CPA offer of people filling survey. So when people complete the survey, you get paid for doing so. So the first thing to do is to sign up for an account, and you can see the sign up button at the right corner of the page. Then you fill your name, your first name. So after you have filled your first name, then you put your last name, and after that, then you come down and put your country. So we are in Nigeria here, so you put Nigeria. Then you put your city as well, so you put your city there. Then after you have filled your details, you also come down to fill your address. So then you scroll down. After filling our address, we scroll down. Then we choose CPA network as a direct publisher. So we are going to choose direct publisher. Then you put your email. So after filling in your email, then you put your phone number as well. So you fill your email, then put your phone number there. Then after that, I would like to put Telegram, and I will also attach my Telegram username. Then after you have done that, then you click on next and confirm your email address. So after you have gotten to the interface of the site, then you can choose an offer. You can just scroll and choose an offer that you like. So the first offer is a social network survey. So it's a fixed CPL, and this is one is just like a survey of dating offer. So, and for Nigeria they are paying 0.3 per survey completion. So then the next thing is to generate your link. So how to generate your link? Just put anything here. So I will put Facebook here. So let us write Facebook here. So then after putting the name, then you can put any name. Just click on create, and it will be created for you. So, and once it is created, then you can start using it and start advertising the link. What you need to know is that people need to complete the survey. If people click on the link and they don't complete the survey, then you won't get paid. But once people click and complete the survey, you will surely get paid for it. So a survey completion will give you $0.3. So we have created the link, then you click on get the link. So when you click on get the link, then you will be able to get the link, and you can start advertising the link and earn. So I'm going to show you how to earn through advertising. First thing you need to know is that you need to have a Facebook ads manager where we are going to be advertising the link. And to advertise the link, we need ad creative, and that's what we are going to be getting on Pinterest. So since it's a dating survey offer, we are going to look for a picture of a woman or anyone, so that we are going to be using for it. So make sure the picture you are going to use is not a picture that is exposed, so that your ad account won't be banned. So you just go to your Pinterest and search. So it will bring, and I will select one that is decent. So that one, I will select the one at the edge. So we just need to download it. So I've downloaded it now. So we go back to our ad manager in order to create ad for it. Then we click on create. So we are going to choose traffic. As a beginner, you can choose traffic. Then when you choose traffic, click on continue on your ad manager, click on manual campaign. So after that, you still click on continue. You can edit the new traffic campaign to know the ads if you have many ads, but you can still continue. Then you can still choose any country you want. So just scroll down, then you click the blank box and choose employment. So after that, then you scroll down again. So here you can change Nigeria if you want to target another country, but I will leave it as Nigeria. After that, the next thing is to click on next, and we get here. So you choose website. So you need to choose website. Then after you have chosen website, you let it load, and you scroll down, you change your budget. So make sure your budget is lower, so you start with lower budget. Then you can still change the age. After changing the budget, then you can still come down to change the age to any of your choice, but make sure it is above 18. Change the gender to only men as well. So after changing the age, change the gender to men. So the next thing is to edit advantages placement. So choose manual. So after you have chosen manual, then you scroll down, then you untick messenger and audience network. Also, we don't work with thread. And after you have done all this, then we click on next, and we tick add view to see how our ad will look. Then we scroll down and input the link you have copied from the page of your accounts of zeydoo accounts and put it there. Then after that, you scroll down, let that one be none. Then you go down to set up your ad creative, then click on setup, then choose the image you have downloaded. So that's the image. Then we open it, so add it to the other pictures on the ad creative menu. So it's now added. Then we click on next. So we are going to see the preview of how our ads look like. Then we click on next. Then we put primary tests, complete a survey. So let us put complete this survey and get my number. So anything that can make people to click on the image and complete the survey, so you need to put it there so that people will be able to click on it, and after they have done what you said, then you will be able to get paid for doing that, for them doing that for you. So you need to put a specific action for them to do in order for you to earn as well. Then you click on next, and after you have done everything, then you click on publish your ad. So we publish the ad and wait for the ad to be live. So once it is live, then we are going to start getting results and start earning. So this is how the ad will do. And once it starts running, you will be seeing that you are getting results. You will be able to see the link clicks, and you will also be seeing cost per link click and amount spent, and also track your